Yeah, wind variable, turning around to the left side.
Lufthansa 730, wind 280 degrees, 5 knots, becoming variable, 6 knots, runway 07 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 7 left, Lufthansa 730.
Cathay 256, contact ground 121.6.
Okay, the runway is straight ahead, inside,
free,
approach
so
altitude is set.
Yeah.
So I guess we have everything, we wait for the landing.
Right.
100 above. 300.
Slight tailwind from the left.
Minimum.
Continue, and roger on the wind.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers, reverse green, VTV decel.
I'll reverse.
Power north, afternoon, Boeing 227, ILS 07.
Behavior 337, target
Alpha 7, Alpha 8.
7 left, wind, tailwind up to 10 knots and becoming variable at 5 knots at this.
So next one is Alpha 9er.
Coming up nicely.
70 knots.
Lufthansa 730, vacate Alpha 9, turn right onto Bravo, hold short Bravo 7.
730, Alpha 9, right onto Bravo, short, Bravo 7.
Behavior 337, wind at
So it's
right on Bravo,
right, second to the right.
Yeah. After landing items.
So it's straight and then the second right.
Yeah.
Yeah, hydraulic green, ELEC, pump A4.
Taxi Bravo, hold short Bravo 7, contact ground 121.6.
It's switched off, so
yeah,
we have time for that.
Lufthansa 730.
730, go.
Lufthansa 730, Bravo, hold short Bravo 7, contact ground 121.6.
730, Bravo, hold short Bravo 7 on 116, going.
Bye.
Welcome ground, good day, Lufthansa 730, super, turning right on Bravo.
Lufthansa 730, Grand G'day, taxi Bravo, Bravo 7, Bay November 66.
Bravo, Bravo 7, Bay November 66, Lufthansa 730.